Maeve, look.
Are you gonna get the egg? Try to win free tuition for Daddy and Mommy.
Yes, do that. Oh, a sticker.
The onion won the first round.
Ooh. Go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead and put it in. I just want the sticker.
Right? I don't really need the egg.
Here, we'll put that in there. Let's go find more eggs. Over here on this side.
Oh, look.
Over here. Come on.
Look. Get some more creative ways. That was very interesting.
Come on, Maeve. Come on. Come on. Go, Maeve. Go, Maeve. Go, Maeve. Go. Go, Maeve. Go, Maeve. Yes. Go, Maeve. Go, Maeve. Good girl.
We're going down the slide.
Watch out, Maeve. They're coming down.
You ready? Oh, come on, guys. Come on, bud. What's the matter?
Good job, Maeve. Oh, boy. Even more stuff.
Yep.
Thank you.
Lots of goodies.
Maeve, how many do you have? How many do you have? Let's see. Whoa, that's a lot in there. Whoa. Okay, find some more. Oh, all right.